guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix Instagram error. So when you are trying to post anything, photo or video, so the post was not posting. As you can see guys, I'm also facing same type of problem. One video I want to post, so the video was not posting. This type of irritating error I am facing. Video can't be posted. So how to fix this issue? In this video we'll learn this guys, so please watch this video till and very carefully. So let's get started. So when you are facing this type of error guys, so the main reason behind this error is this guys. If your internet connection is not good at that time guys, you can face this type of error 100%. So first of all, you need to check your internet connection. Okay, in case your internet connection is good, afterwards you are facing same type of error guys. Now what you need to do, close your Instagram. After closing, you need to restart your phone one time. After restarting, open Instagram, try to post your video or photo. Hopefully this time it will fix your problem. Still, in case you are facing same type of problem guys, now what you need to do, open your phone settings. Okay, like this. In the phone settings, go to apps and notification or application manager, whatever your option getting, just open it and go to all apps. In the list of apps guys, you need to find out Instagram. Scroll down and find out Instagram. As you can see guys, Instagram is here. Open it, go to storage, clear the caches of the storage. Okay, after doing this guys, close this and open once again Instagram and try to post your video. Okay, hopefully this time it will fix your problem. Still, in case you are facing same type of problem guys, now what you need to do, now you need to clear the storage of your Instagram. So remember one thing guys, before clearing the storage, so if you are clearing your storage, it will log out your Instagram account and reset all your Instagram settings. Just clear your storage like this. After clearing the storage, restart your phone one more time. After restarting, now it will fix your problem 100%. So these are the easy and very simple solutions to fix that problem. So one more bonus method you can try guys. If your Instagram app was not up to date, open the Google Play Store. From the Google Play Store you can easily able to update your Instagram. Just search Instagram like this. After searching, if the app update was available, just you need to update your app. That's it. So you can also try one more method. I have shown you 5 to 6 method to fix this problem. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.